Hi Mom, video number 7. It's Rubik time. Okay, this will be last one, video number 7 in this series. 이게 마지막이에요 엄마. 이제 7번째. Okay, so are you ready to begin? Let's go. Okay Mom, you're here because you found a cross 찾았죠? And then each of the edges are matching. 다 이렇게 딱 맞아 들어갔죠? And each of the corners are in right place. 다 모퉁이가 다 제자리에 있죠? Yes. This is easy to tell that they're in right place. Okay? Right? 이거는 쉽게 볼 수 있죠? 제자리에 있는 게. These two was yellow center, orange center, green center. So this is in right place, just need to be rotated. 이 제자리에 있는데 그냥 rotate만 하면 되는 거 아니에요? 돌리기만 하면 되잖아요. 이것도 this two, just orange to the center, yellow to the center, blue to the center. So that's in right place, just need to be rotated. Okay, that's two positions that's messed up that we need to fix. 이게 두 개 고쳐야 되죠. I show you another one. This has a 3 position that's messed up. 이건 세 개를 고쳐야 돼. 이거는 one's easy to tell that it's not messed up, but again they're in right position, right corner. I mean they're in right corner, but they're not in a right rotation. Okay, I show you another one. That's this is where you could have 4 of them messed up. But we're going to talk about this one where none of them. You could also end up with none of them getting messed up like this one. 그냥 실수로 다 풀어준 경우가 있어요. From video number 6, right? But let me show you something really simple. 쉬운 거 보여드릴게요. Okay? Let's say I do this. How do I solve this? 이걸 어떻게 풀어요? Just reverse it, right? Did this, reverse. What about if I do it from the bottom? Okay, for this scenario, I want to make this to keep it straight. I want to keep that yellow at top, white at the bottom, red in front again, okay? So this, reverse. This, reverse. Easy. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2 movements. Now let's mix that up. 이걸 섞을게요, 조금씩. 쉬운 거를 섞을게요. Okay? Just make it just a little bit more difficult. I did that. Then I move the bottom counterclockwise. I reverse the top, the right side. I reverse the bottom side. Look. We have one corner that's messed up. Actually, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces messed up. 7개나 흩어졌어요. 이렇게 되면. Okay? Now, we could reverse exactly the same 4 steps and solve this. For instance, I could just do this. We could do that. But I want to show you something else. 거꾸로 이렇게 하면 다 제자리에 맞아 들어가는데 다시 보여드릴 게 있어요. 1, 2, bottom, reverse, reverse, right? Bottom, reverse. But I'm going to keep on repeating that. So I did that once. Once. That's twice. That's 3 times. That's 4 times. That's 5 times. That's 6 times. 6 times I did that. 6번 하니까 다 제자리로 돌아왔어요. All these pieces come back to right position. See, those movements did not mess up these. It did not mess up these. It only messed up Yeah, it only messed up these. Okay. I'll show you real quick again. This time, I'm just gonna, and yeah. So I want you to remember those movements. 그걸 기억하세요. Because that's how we're gonna solve these corners. Remember these movements, okay? So I'll keep this piece right here in this corner at the right side of my hand. These are already solved, so I don't have to worry about those. Okay, let's solve for this one. 이걸 먼저 풀어야 돼요, 요거. Okay, 오른쪽으로 두고 move to the right counterclockwise, bottom counterclockwise. Right clockwise, bottom clockwise. And we keep on doing that. 그걸 계속 또 되풀이해요. Until we fix that corner. I see it. See, the corner is fixed. 모퉁이가 고쳐졌잖아요. 그렇게 하니까. So, now we need to fix that corner. So, instead of going to the corner like this, don't do that. Move that corner piece right there. Because we want to fix this area. Okay? We want to leave these guys alone. So, let's fix that one again. Same routine. 똑같은 방법으로. Just repeat. It's coming. Looks like it's coming. And yeah. It's done. Show you real quick on the another one. Again, this has 3 pieces. So I'm going to do it again. Okay, don't move like that, just move that there, like that, okay? Because we want to keep these intact. Yeah. Okay, and then move again, right there. And we're done. Okay, one more time. This is all 4 pieces messed up, so we just need a we could start anywhere. I mean, we could start here, either way. So 이거는 아무 때나 시작하면 되는 거예요. So I'm just going ahead and choose one, this one right here, and do this. Okay, that's done. That's done. Oops, that was done already. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's done. Mom, I could not be world champion. 챔피언도 못 이겼어요. 3살짜리 애기도 못 이겼고. As a physicist, wow. I could not beat him.
That was 25 years ago. And
I could not beat my old student. But I found someone that I could beat, Mom. 이 사람 이기면 I win. Okay? Okay, let's see. Ready, set, go.